guys, it's me Pranit, and today we are back. We're not back, basically, yeah, we are kind of, because I had made a video before about Roblox, and today we have started playing Roblox. So this is a new game to our channel, and yesterday we had learned a lot. We played a lot of games. We learned a lot of games. We did a lot. See, this is continue playing. Recently we played all these games, and then I realized that that video did not make it to YouTube because I basically it didn't make it to YouTube. It's too long, so it just stopped, and I realized that after a long time. So now I'm playing Roblox right now. So let's get started. So let me show you the game. Basically, oh sorry guys, so this camera's a bit wobbly, it's a bit fishy, so sorry. Yeah, Pran is back with me. Just Pran, please, not right now, not today, please. And you always get us dislikes. Sorry. Alright, so today we're going to play Piggy. Piggy is a game, so let me show you. Game is still in test. Yesterday, so basically it's like, let me show you how it is. I'm going to play this game. Alright, this camera may be a bit glitchy. It's maybe seeing my face is freezing, like at times it's like that, it's just freezing, and I'm going in slow motion. That's happened sometimes. That happens. So this is made by Minitoon. So we joined the server. I'm making this be in the middle. Okay, just down here. No wait, I'm making this beat go down like somewhere here. Okay, so let me show you. We played the game. This game, yeah, okay, the timer's here. Oh, we already started, guys. Sorry, my face is a bit like wobbly. And this is my character. If you are wondering how does he look, this is how my character looks, and this is going really slowly. Oh no, this works. It happens like that. Game over. It was infection. I did not see it. I did not see the game. So basically, wait, I've got 0 piggy coins. Oh yeah. Like I basically, you see, these are all the skins, piggy skins. You know, let me show you my favorite ones. Yesterday I also bought. Wait, what? All my purchases. Where did it go? No. Wait, guys, I'm sure. Okay, let me show you. My favorite skins. It's maybe a bit bad. This is the first man. This is my favorite skin. You see, on top is Robbie, Torture, and Billy. These are piggies. These are pigs, and they are like gonna kill us all the time. So yeah, and now let me show you how it goes. Yesterday I almost became plant chapter 12 has been selected, guys. Now I'm a pro. Yesterday, let's traitor. I'm gonna show you how traitor mode goes, because traitor mode is basically it's like a guy. He's got traps and bad and things. He is traitor, and let me show you. Yeah, am I the traitor or not? So you can see it. We're going to be playing a lot of games. These are cutscenes. You can just skip them, but it's not showing it. Just the skip button not here. So this is Roblox. I don't know. This is my name is Pranit OM. I was writing Pranit OMG, but it did not come somehow. So OMG. No, I didn't mean to. Okay, this is not how it's supposed to happen. This is okay. There's some glitches have come. It's like something's wrong here. Everything is going slowly, and it's not how it is. Wait, what? Okay, so the game has started, and let me show you. Okay, so we spawn. Guys, this internet's a bit glitchy. I'm going to leave the game. Wait, guys, sorry. Sorry if this game becomes like this. It's the first time, so it's a bit, crappy. Yeah, it's just new games. It's just it shows my screen is all bad. Please. Yeah. We have played a lot of new games. We have played Shark Bite. Shark Bite is basically you've got a boat, and there are sharks around, and you have to save yourself. This is Bacon. Let me show you. Bacon is also a new game we played yesterday. it did not come, but that video did not make it. It was too less. So bacon is basically it's also that it is like that. So it's joining the server. All right. Prahan is here. You just cannot see him. Come here. Yeah. Say hello to Prahan. Please go now out. This camera is already glitchy. There's too much noise, speaking and all. So it's kind of glitchy. And it's glitchy always. See, so I play. But bacon, what? Is it already? What? Oh, so it's voting. Like, is it a player or bot? Or robot is basically the computer. So, and it's glitchy. So there are all these are the people. And yeah, and this is testing player, choosing player. All right, something happened. Oh, I did not see this at all. This is why is it so bad? I mean, I don't know. Check the internet connection. Even my face is going like so slowly. Like, okay, let's just get this started.
It's on.
Okay.
It's not on.
We didn't. Oh my gosh, just go. Guys, once this cutscene ends, I'm going to do. Guys, so here we are. Let's take a look around. Oh guys, I am Bacon. Okay, Bacon, and I'm the girl Bacon. Okay, for some reason I am the girl Bacon. I never expected this. So the game sometimes they keep choosing me. I don't know. So this is basically a game. It's like when I'm with this Bacon, I'm supposed to basically just
kill people.
Yeah, kill people. There are people here. Sorry, I'm just too distracting and it's going very slow. So this time is passing really fast, and I don't think this is also that good. I'm putting a trap. I put a trap down. So that way people get stunned enough. So, oh my gosh. It's so hard. So yesterday I just became a pro on it. I just learned everything and about everything. And okay, wait, let me get this up here. Oh, the internet has some problem, guys. Roblox is just not working. Just got stuck. He just did not get stuck in that trap. I'm just setting one here. Just getting set there. This is the upstairs. This is how it open this door, please. Yeah. I'm going to be placing one trap, okay, that fits in the doorway. Now nobody can get out. Nobody can escape. I'm going to play this game later on also. Later on my next videos, I'm going to be playing this game once the internet gets all good and everything is okay. Then I'm going to be playing this game and see, let me show you how it goes. That's a piggy head, guy. Piggy head. I'm going to play piggy also and I'm going to show you how it goes and everything. See, Bacon, she shot me with a gun. Alright, that's taser. That's me. And I could spy on it now, like what's happening. They think that I'm tased, and I am, but I mean, they thought that I just got tased right now only. And like, I don't know if I 20 seconds is most probably. Yeah, now it's over. We cannot jump down there so that you can, no, but you cannot. Alright, this is really crappy. It's really bad. You guys should see my other videos too, because new videos are coming. They're on their way about Piggy. So I mean, and Bacon. Piggy is my favorite video. That time it was all good, and now it's getting badder and worse. So guys, I'm going to have to. What time is it? I'm going to have to end this video right here, guys. See you later. Bye bye. Like, subscribe, and if you want to see more bacon on Roblox, bye bye. Like, subscribe.